In class 7, the topic of nutrition in plants is introduced to explain how plants obtain the nutrients they need to grow and survive. This includes the process of photosynthesis, the role of soil nutrients, and how plants absorb and use water and minerals. Let's break this down in a simple way. 1. What is nutrition in plants? Nutrition is the process by which plants obtain food to grow, develop, and maintain life. Plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. They also need certain nutrients from the soil for healthy growth. Types of nutrition in plants. Plants can be classified based on how they obtain their nutrition into autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, self feeding. Photosynthesis is the main process by which plants make their food. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to make glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. This process takes place in the chloroplasts of plants' cell, mainly in the leaves, which contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that absorbs sunlight. Equation for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight, and chlorophyll equals glucose plus oxygen. Heterotrophic nutrition, other feeding. Some plants are heterotrophic because they do not make their own food but rely on other plants or animals. An example in the carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap, which trap and digest insects to get nutrition, especially nitrogen, from them. Third, what do plants need to grow? Plants require certain nutrients to grow. These nutrients are absorbed mainly through the roots from the soil. The two main types of nutrients are micronutrients needed in large amount, nitrogen important for leaf growth and the green color in plants, phosphorus help in the growth of roots, flowers and fruits, potassium help in photosynthesis and strengthens the plant's resistance to a disease. Calcium important for cell wall structure and growth. Magnesium a key component of chlorophyll. Sulfur helps in protein synthesis and enzyme function. Micronutrients need in smaller amounts. Iron es- essential for the formation of chlorophyll. Zinc helps in enzyme production. Copper, manganese, bronze, etc. Fourth, how do plants absorb nutrients? Roots are the main part of the plant that absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The root hairs, tiny extensions of root cells, increase the surface area for better absorption. Nutrients like minerals and water are taken up by the roots and travel through the xylem, a tissue that transports water and nutrients to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Fifth, role of water in plant nutrition. Water is essential for plants because it helps in the transport of nutrients from the soil to the plant. Water also plays a key role in photosynthesis and helps maintain turgor pressure, the pressure that keeps plant cells firm and rigid. Sixth, the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process through which plants make their own food. It happens mainly in the leaves, which contain chlorophyll, a green pigment. Here's how it works. Sunlight provides energy, chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air enters the plant through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. Water is absorbed by the roots and moves to the leaves through the xylem. With the help of sunlight, plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, food, and release oxygen as a bioproduct. Seventh, why are nutrients important for plants? Nutrients are important because they help plants grow and develop properly, produce flowers and fruits, make chlorophyll, which helps in photosynthesis, strengthen their resistance to diseases, perform various other vital functions to stay healthy. Eighth, how do plants get carbon dioxide? Plants get carbon dioxide CO2 from the air through small openings on the underside of their leaves called stomata. Carbon dioxide is a key ingredient in the process of photosynthesis. Ninth, what happens if plants do not get enough nutrients? Nutrients deficiencies can cause plants to grow poorly. For example, lack of nitrogen causes yellowing of leaf. Lack of phosphorus shows root growth. Lack of potassium weakness the plant and makes it more